Good morning, everyone. It's your girl, Neena Boo. So, I welcome you guys to my episode of Neena's Shenanigans, okay? And how are you all doing? I'm fine. I just wanted to know how you're doing. Alright, so I'm just trying to wish you an amazing, beautiful day ahead. A very productive day. I wish you God's grace, God's blessings and protection in all you do. Okay. Yeah. And I wish you to be motivated and inspired. Okay. Whatever thing, hustles or issues or obstacles you meet at your workplace, it could be your boss, it could be your colleague, it could be anybody at all. But honey, I'm just trying to say that you shouldn't let any of those people kill your vibe at work today, alright? Always look at the end game, which is the moolah, you know? But when those people frustrate you, you don't get inspired to get the moolah any longer. And even when you get the moolah, sometimes you may end up using the moolah to take care of the headache, the panic attack, the anxiety you have to go through dealing with such people. When you have a positive mindset, when they come on acting all nosy, you tell them, bless you, and you move on. Why? Because some of the times these people have this baggage of issues they bring to work from the various homes, okay? And they kind of feel good when they dump it on other people. So when they try to dump that on you, so you can get a bit of what they're dealing with, honey, push it away. Just push it away and tell them, bless you. And with that way, you're blessing them, and you're also praying that they deal with what they are dealing with properly, and that they get better. And they heal, from whatever thing that is denying them of that sort of joy that they should be feeling, especially in a beautiful morning. Okay, so stay blessed, stay positive,